Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your existing account on the Grubhub application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Grubhub application on your smartphone and you will be taken into the home page. Now you can directly tap on Search Nearby to start ordering from Grubhub. Or in order to sign into your existing account, tap on the Sign In button. And now you have various options to sign into your account. You can either type in your email address that you used to sign up to create your account. Or if you created your account using your Amazon, your Google or your Facebook account, tap on the respective buttons as well. Then you can tap on the Continue button and you will be asked to enter your password. After entering your password, you can tap on Login button. And then you will directly be logged into your account with Grubhub. And now you can directly start ordering for your food using the Grubhub app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Grubhub application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.